Welcome to my YouTube channel Kadam Academy. Dear friends, in this series of mechanical vibration, various videos are uploaded on this YouTube channel Kadam Academy. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel Kadam Academy. Under the single degree of freedom, we have already studied the undamped and the damped vibration. Now we are going to start with these numericals on the force vibration. Okay, that was the free vibration. Here we are going to study the force vibration with the single degree of freedom. This numerical statement I will read. What is the statement? Damped natural frequency of a system. Damped natural frequency of a system obtained from a free vibration test is 9.8. Okay, so here it is written the damped natural frequency 9.8. It is in hertz. Okay, not in radian per second. We require radian per second. How to convert 9.8 into 2 pi? That will convert into radian per second. And what is the next given? During the force vibration test with constant exciting force, due to the force vibration, continuously vibration will be there, and that exciting force on the same system, the maximum amplitude. What is this maximum amplitude is found? The vibration, and this due to this vibration 9.6 is it's a peak amplitude. So this WP is the peak amplitude 6 hertz. Okay, that will create that is the peak amplitude. Okay, maximum amplitude or peak amplitude. You can say here maximum or peak amplitude. So that WP is equal to 9.6 hertz. You can convert in radian per second. Here 9.6 into 2 pi, it should be radian per second. Okay, so friend, this is the given data. What we have to find out? We have to find out here in this case the damping. We have to find the damping factor for the system and its natural frequency, the omega n, and the oscillation of frequency we have to find out. So how to find out the frequency? I will tell you within 2 minutes. You can find out. So what was the formula? This already watched the video for this one. That formula is where derived that WP upon omega P upon omega L is equal to under root of 1 minus 2 zeta square. Okay. Here value of omega P is we know, the omega N we don't know. So we can put here in this one 9.6 into 2.2 pi upon omega n. This is equal to under root of 1 minus 2 zeta square. This zeta we have to find out. Okay, this is the value. You can this is a relation. Okay, one more relation is there. We know that damped vibration, damped frequency, which is equal to omega n into under root of what was the relation? 1 minus zeta square. Okay, this is the second relation. Just put the value of omega d, means the damped frequency, the 9.8 here upon into 2 pi upon omega n, which is equal to under root of 1 minus zeta square. This is the second relation. Okay, this is 9.8 omega d. From this we have taken, and this omega n we have found out. This is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. Okay, what we are doing here? We are dividing this equation 1 and equation 2. So we get here 9.6, the omega n will get cancelled, 2 pi also get cancelled, 9.6 upon 9.8, which is equal to under root of 1 minus 2 zeta square upon 1 minus zeta square. Okay, so from this the squaring on the both the side, on this both the side will square, and what will obtain here? Squaring on the both the side, and we'll get 0.96, which is equal to 1 minus 2 zeta square upon 1 minus zeta square. After solving this one, which will answer, final answer, zeta is equal to 0.196. This is under damped condition. This is a under damped condition for the force vibration. This is the force vibration numerical is there. and from this zeta you can find out the value of omega n. How do you can find out the value of omega n? So let the value of omega n is equal to this value is, you can find out 10 into 2 pi radian per second. Lastly, we can find out the value omega n upon 2 pi. So we get the value of 10 hertz. This is the natural frequency. This is the value for the natural frequency you can find out. Here omega n. Just putting here value of this and zeta, if we put the value, we can find out the value of omega n here. That is. So friend, this is the video to clear you. The simple video, a simple basic concept for this force vibration. The two terms are there. Here is the peak amplitude, that is the created and the with natural frequency and damp frequency. So friend, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel Kadam Academy. Please subscribe my channel Kadam Academy. For more and more video, subscribe it and like it and share it. What are the outcomes of this video of mathematical modeling for this all the vibrating system? Write down 3 outcomes, and friend, here you always learn by self-assessment only, and you have to subscribe my channel Kadam Academy. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe it. Thank you very much.